Hey YouTube, I'm so bored. No, I'm not actually. I'm so happy. Look what I got. Got beats. I got these. I think they're DJ. Okay. Beats, pretty cool. They're purple. I just need them. Like that, yeah, there. Yeah, just my new Beats, really. Purple, and yeah. That's all I really want to talk. It's so short, isn't it? Or is it? Am I gonna make it longer? Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, maybe I am. Yeah, just my new Beats that I got today. Beats are so expensive these days. Wish we were back in the 1980s, man. When they didn't have Beats. Okay, that's it, really. That's like a minute, I guess. You know what's coming at you, bros. Not bros, it's PJ. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, bye.